Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position white to play and win, and white pawn is going in this direction and black pawns are moving downward in this direction, and they are this pawn especially is too scary, and these pawns are defended by the bishop, so the bishop is also defended by the pawns, and it looks like black is safe, but white can win this in 6th move, right? It's mate in 6 actually, and you can pause the video to try and guess the move on your own. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So the thing you should notice in this position is the pawn on c2. It's literally one move away from queening, right? So you must stop this pawn, or you must find a checkmate, otherwise black would get a queen, and that is going to be very bad for you. You can't win the game. So what are the options? Well, with the queen, the only safe move is h5, queen to h5, but that doesn't work because black would promote to a queen and you can't win this, right? So what else can we try? Well, if we play king to e7, attacking the rook, thinking some kind of traits, this doesn't work as well, because black would simply move the rook away like this, and black is going to promote this on the next move, right? So you can't do much in this position. So that is the thing, and this is not a win, right? So what are the options? Well, the only correct move is to play bishop to g8. So what this move does is it threatens checkmate on h7. Queen to h7 is going to be checkmate if black try to promote the pawn. So what should black do to stop this mate? Well, black actually cannot stop that mate except capturing the bishop, right? So black cannot do anything to stop this mate. Black cannot defend that with rook because we simply capture, and that is going to be simply checkmate on the next move, and black must capture this. But after black captures that, the rook is already defended, right? If we simply capture the rook, black would capture the queen back with the king, and black is now completely winning. So what is the point of this? Well, actually the idea is to sacrifice the queen. We sacrifice the queen, right? And not only that, black must capture the queen, otherwise queen to g7 is checkmate anyway, right? So if black moves, checkmate is simply 1 mile away. So what can black do? Well, black has no choice except to accept the sacrifice, capturing the queen, and now we capture the rook with our pawn. And of course black would get a queen to simply give us check and find some kind of escaping route, but we play king to g7, and we play g7 check, we play g7 with the pawn, and then we promote to a queen, and then we would win the game. So this is it actually. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.